Need cash in a hurry? Let's walk through withdrawing money safely and easily from an RBC ATM. First, locate your nearest RBC ATM. Once you're there, grab your debit card. You'll need it to access your account. Carefully insert your debit card into the card reader on the ATM. Make sure the chip on your card is facing the correct way, usually towards the right, and up. The ATM will prompt you once the card is successfully inserted. Next, the ATM will ask for your personal identification number, or PIN. This is a crucial security measure, so make sure nobody is looking over your shoulder. Use the keypad to enter your PIN and press Enter or OK. A menu will appear with various options. Select Withdrawal if you don't see it right away. There might be a More Options button you need to press first. Now you'll see preset withdrawal amounts, like $20, $40, or $60 if you need a different amount. Select Other Amount and type in the specific amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind your daily withdrawal limit. This varies, but it's usually around $1,000 per day. Exceeding this limit won't be possible. The ATM will then dispense your cash. Remember to count your money before you leave the ATM. Don't forget to take your debit card. The ATM will prompt you several times to remove your card. This is a vital step so someone else does not get a hold of it. You'll also be asked if you want a receipt. Take it if you need it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn cash from an RBC ATM. Always be aware of your surroundings and shield the keypad when entering your PIN. Stay safe and happy banking.